pour versus pour. In some areas of the US, this and this are the same and they both sound like or. In some areas of the US, they will use more of an oor here and it'll sound more like pour with an oo sound. And if I use that rounded tense oo, so pour, then I end up with some vowel-to-vowel linking. As I move from that really tense oo into the pour, that w glide just naturally connects those two. You don't hear it as two separate syllables. It's not pour, but rather pour. The w should just happen because you're starting off with a very round, tense oo sound. In pour, it does have a little bit of that vowel-to-vowel linking, or, pour, but you can really just kind of build that from the or sound, so saying or, pour. And for me and for many areas of the US, these two can be the same. So he poured the drink very poorly. Yeah, so a couple of different options for this one, and this one is always just or. The spelling is a little confusing. We really should spell it like this. We do also have this word, pour. Pores in your skin, same pronunciation as well.